channel Baby Cartoon TV. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Ow, ow. Mommy, mommy. Mommy, mommy, yes, JJ. I bumped my knee while out to play. It hurts a lot, I said, ow, ow. Please make my boo-boo better now. Here's a bandage, soft and new. A gentle kiss, just for you. There you go, my brave young boy. Now let's smile and jump for joy. Mommy, mommy, yes, yo-yo. Hey, I stubbed my toe, it hurts, you know. Uh-oh, mommy, owie, ow. Please make my boo-boo better now. La, 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 la. Let's clean it up and make it neat. Then rest a while, lift up your feet. Here's a hug to make it right. Now it's better, see so bright. Mommy, mommy, yes, Tom-Tom. I hurt my elbow playing strong. Look, look, mommy, owie, ow. Please make my boo-boo better now. Let's patch it up, don't you cry. You're my hero, brave and spry. There you go, the pain will fade. You're all better, hooray, parade.
The channel Baby Cartoon TV. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.